Hey riders, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am that Kava boy, also known as Abhinav in real life, apart from my socials. And I talk about all things motorcycle. May it be your gear, may it be your tech related to riding, or even real world insights on the ownership of the motorcycle. So today we are going to be talking about what's in my backpack. Now this is not just another what's in my backpack video. This is more of a must or essentials that are the least that you need while you're going out on a ride. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about that one thing that's always with us while we go out to ride, and that is our backpack. So I'm going to be dividing this video into majorly three categories: the must-haves, that are basically things that you need to legally carry while you're riding your motorcycle, the comfort, and then the part wherein you need for your motorcycle maintenance in case something were to happen during your ride. Also, do stick around till the end of the video because there's a fourth or a bonus part to this video where we are going to be talking about what other things do I actually carry in this bag, because apart from these categories also I do carry a few other things. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in this backpack. Okay guys, so talking about the essentials, as I was saying, the first part of what I absolutely carry in my backpack wherever it is that I might be going, those are basically these few things that you see here. This is a power bank, this is my documents pouch which is waterproof, and this is some wallet with some cash and cards. Now talking about documents, now documents are the most important part whenever we are talking about leaving the house. You're legally required to carry your ID proof, your RC, your insurance, and your DL. That is a mandate. So this is the pouch that I carry. This is a leather pouch, this is waterproof, and I carry all my documents in this to ensure that even if the bag is waterproof and some amount of water gets in, nothing happens to these. Apart from this, I also back these up as a digital copy into my phone, because you never know when your paperwork might get lost or your tech might fail. So it is always good to have a backup in terms of whatever you are carrying. The next thing is cash and your few extra cards. When we talk about cash or cards, it is a must again, because I know you would say that GPay के ज़माने में अब cash कौन देगा, but there are a lot of times when you're riding and you're in areas जहाँ पे internet बिल्कुल नहीं होता. अगर आप एक city rider हो, probably you've never faced this, but when you go and travel probably in remote areas, that is when this problem is majorly faced. So as a rule of thumb, I always carry this along with me, which is a must in terms of cash and some extra cards anyway. Apart from that, this power bank. So the camera that I'm recording on, my phone which is my map as well, and all the other gadgets that I'm carrying along with me, they all need battery. And let's say you're in a place which receives only a few hours of let's say you're in a place which receives only a few hours of electricity, or you're in a place which does not have electricity altogether. That is where this comes into play. This is not much, not too heavy as well. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank. Works at least for you to start up the device that you most need, if not all, and reach a place where you can find a power source to charge the rest of your devices. Now, the microfiber. You might be saying, why am I carrying a microfiber? The reason that I'm carrying a microfiber is simply for the fact that given the kind of mods that I have in my bike, it does not have a tail tidy. It does not have protection against all the mud splashing that is going to happen if it rains, as it did today. As you could see in the previous shot, or probably you can also see on the windows right now in this shot. Okay, coming to the next part, which is maintenance and safety. These are the few things that I use. The first one is a mini air pump, and within this is the tire repair kit or puncture repair kit. So there have been a few instances where, not on my ZX4R, but on my Royal Enfield, I've had a flat tire or a nail go into the tire, and that heavier bike I have had to carry for kilometers at a stretch, just because the puncture person was not around or the puncture repair shop was not close by. So, this is a must have in your backpack, because even if you lose all the air and there is a nail inside your tire, आजकल 90% of the bikes give you a tubeless tire, जहाँ पे अगर कील गया भी हुआ है उसके अंदर आप थोड़ी सी हवा भर के या ओवर हवा भर के गाड़ी एटलीस्ट ले जा सकते हो 5 से 10 किलोमीटर, एंड दैट इज़ वाई दिस इज़ रियली हेल्पफुल. Apart from that, I have a first aid kit. Now, this is one thing which मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि आपके पास हॉस्पिटल के लेवल का एक फर्स्ट एड किट होना चाहिए, बट बेयर नेसेसिटीज़ लाइक एंटीसेप्टिक, योर ट्रायंगल दिस थिंग bandage, then a few of these normal ointments like betadine and stuff, antiseptic basically, जहाँ पे अगर आपको कभी कुछ भी होता है तो this is there for you. And as a biker, when you're setting out on two wheels, the main thing is that you need to be ready for anything. Apart from this, I also always carry a toolkit. Now, why a toolkit? Because when you get stuck in situations, what I was talking about earlier, कि मेरा टायर पंचर हो गया या ऐसा कुछ हो गया, that is when आपको अपने टूल्स सबसे ज़्यादा चाहिए होते हैं. एंड स्पेशली बाइक्स में जो नॉर्मल रेगुलर टूल्स आते हैं उसके अंदर एवरीथिंग इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड. सो हैविंग अ बेसिक टूल किट इज़ अ मस्ट. दिस इज़ द सेम टूल किट दैट आई यूज टू बेसिकली सेल्फ इंस्टॉल सारे TST के पार्ट्स जो मैंने किए थे. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है, आई विल लिंक इट ऑन दिस वीडियो हेयर और हेयर, but you can basically go ahead and check that out as well. But yeah, this has helped me with a lot of DIY repair at home for my Royal Enfield as well as my ZX4R. So it is again a must have, especially if you're going for a very long trip. So now let's move on to the comfort part. So for comfort, there are only two major things that I carry in any given time. One is a windbreaker or a wind sheeter, along with a rainproof part as well. This comes with most of the jackets, and this came with my Rhinox mesh jacket, and I always carry it to ensure that जैसे अभी आज रास्ते में बारिश हो गई, अगर बारिश हो जाए बाहर तो you are well protected. Second is always carrying a pack of glucose biscuits. Why? Because आप जब लॉन्ग राइड्स पे होते हो तो हाइड्रेशन एंड हंगर पैंग्स आर द वन थिंग विच कॉज यू द मोस्ट डिस्कम्फर्ट. डिहाइड्रेशन के कारण आपको कई बार लंबी राइड्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा सर दर्द होगा और आपको समझ नहीं आएगा कि क्यों हो रहा है, बट दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ डिहाइड्रेशन. तो हाइड्रेशन पैक अगर आप बहुत लंबा जा रहे हो तो वो रखो, अदरवाइज़ एक पानी की बोतल रखो. आज मैं यहाँ था तो नहीं है मेरे बैग में, जब भी मैं संडे राइड्स के लिए भी जाता हूँ मेरे पास होती है. एंड एक ये बिस्किट का पैकेट हमेशा रहता है, सो दैट इन केस anybody in the group or even yourself for that matter, अगर कभी शुगर लो चली जाए या आपके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है कि you're not feeling too well and you need something instant energy and you need something for instant energy, that is when this comes into the picture. So as promised, coming to the bonus section, the things that you see in front of me, these are the things that are also in my bag all the time because I feel they are a must for me. This is an Insta360 clamp. Whatever videos आप मेरे चैनल पे देखते हो, they are all shot on the Insta360 X4 with this particular clamp on the mirror. So ये एक क्लैम्प है जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा स्टर्डी मिला है मुझे. मैंने आज तक बहुत सारे क्लैम्प्स ट्राई कर लिए हैं विद माई प्रीवियस Insta360 1R. विद दिस ऑल्सो जब इनिशियली ख़रीदा था मैंने X4, मल्टीपल क्लैम्प्स ट्राई कर चुका हूँ, बट जितनी ज़्यादा स्टर्डीनेस इस एक क्लैम्प की है आई डोंट थिंक किसी और क्लैम्प की है. Insta360, इफ़ यू आर लिसनिंग, इट्स टाइम फॉर अ स्पॉन्सरशिप.
मैंने है ना फैसला किया है.
करेक्ट फैसला किया. तू कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. मैं बताता हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. मैं ना क्या कर सकता हूँ.
But jokes apart, this is legit अ वेरी गुड थिंग एंड आई डोंट थिंक इसके बाद मेरे को और कोई क्लैम्प चाहिए. सेकेंड इज़ अ माइक्रो एस डी कार्ड होल्डर. इसके अंदर आपके अराउंड 30 माइक्रो एस डी कार्ड्स, एक नैनो सिम, एक नॉर्मल एस डी कार्ड और एक पिन इजेक्टर टूल फिट आ जाता है. सो ये बेसिकली खाली डब्बा मिलता है पोर्ट्रॉनिक्स का, 200-300 रुपये का है, बट ये मेरे बैग में हमेशा रहता है बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर क्रिएटिंग कॉन्टेंट और यू आर रिकॉर्डिंग अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज़, फोटोज़, यू ऑलवेज नीड समथिंग जहाँ पे आपका कार्ड्स आर रेडी, आपकी एक्स्ट्रा मेमोरी इज़ रेडी, एक्स्ट्रा बैटरी इज़ रेडी. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई ऑलवेज कैरी दिस. इसी के अंदर एक और बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ है विच इज़ दिस इज़ अ कार्ड रीडर जिसके अंदर आपका नॉर्मल एस डी भी आ जाता है, माइक्रो एस डी भी आ जाता है, सारे आ जाते हैं. USB-C एंड USB-A टाइप दोनों हैं इसमें. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड टूल दैट आई ऑलवेज कैरी अगेन बिकॉज मुझे तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंट लगता है. इसका इतना
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
इसका इतना सा फॉर्म फैक्टर है एंड विद दिस फॉर्म फैक्टर गिव्स यू अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू फॉर मनी. ऑल्सो गिवन ये कितना सस्ता है. नेक्स्ट इज़ एक फास्ट चार्जर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम वट एवर फास्ट चार्जर आई यूज़ एट होम, ये एक फास्ट चार्जर हमेशा मेरे बैग में रहता है, ओनली विद अ USB-C टाइप केबल बिकॉज सारे मेरे डिवाइसेस के लिए USB-C टाइप काम करता है. राइट, सारे मेरे डिवाइसेस के लिए USB-C टाइप काम करता है. सो दैट इज़ अ मस्ट. देन आई हैव अ मोनोस्टिक. अगर आपने मेरा कोई भी ऐसा शॉट देखा होगा जहाँ पे पीछे का एक पर्सपेक्टिव है, जैसे ड्रोन मेरे पीछे उड़ रहा हो, या फिर अगर आपने देखा होगा कि काफ़ी ऊपर से ऐसे लग रहा हो कि ड्रोन मुझे रिवर्स में फॉलो कर रहा है, एज इन आई एम इन फ्रंट एंड ड्रोन पीछे चलता जा रहा है व्हेन आई एम मूविंग अहेड. इन दैट केस दिस हैज़ बीन माउंटेड आइदर ऑन फ्रंट और एट द बैक with a 360 camera, and that is how I get the perspective that I get. So this is my loadout for my ride bag, and this is tested, ride ready and practical. So if you liked whatever I carry and if you think that it adds value, please give this video a like, hit subscribe, share it with a friend who always forgets something while coming for rides, so that his ride bag is always ready and next time he can't say that I forgot this. And that's it from my end. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.